To adjust your face skin tone on your photo on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the required photo. Tap the pencil icon at the bottom of the screen to go to the edit photo screen. Tap photo icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap face effect. Next, tap tone icon. To adjust the face skin tone, drag the adjustment bar below the tone icon. You can set it to a lower level to get a darker skin tone, or you can set it to a higher level to get a lighter skin tone. If you are happy with the result, tap done button and then tap save to save the change. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.